the numbers that that we have for them over about 14 months. So, Kinn'zon.
Good morning. I'm the energy management specialist for the city of Gainesville, and my job is to find ways to be more efficient, for the city to be more efficient with all the energy resources that we have. And so it's been a little over a year since I'm very critical about what we use for the city. I'm very passionate about it. And so I was introduced to Phil about this product to test to see what it can actually do for the city. And so we started using this product about March last year, at the beginning of the year. And I wanted kind of to put it to a test to see what the actual product can do for the city. And so after kind of like talking with people and trying to find the best place for it, we deemed that a good place would be for the fire station, which is a 24-hour day, 7-day-a-week business. And over that time period, through not through just their numbers, I'm very big on keeping numbers myself and looking for what the product actually does for us, and just looking at the average on what an HVAC system runs for utilities, it's about 48 to 50% of your actual utility costs. And with that 48 to 50%, you notice about a 12% savings by using the system. Now, as I said, I'm very critical about what we use because I'm looking for the best thing for our city, to be the best city. And so with that, some of the issues that came up with it, I was very critical about it. Sometimes building lieutenants is going to always assume that there's a temperature problem with the unit. So whenever you add something to a building and there's a temperature problem, sometimes it seems like it's the unit, but realistically it's not the unit. Also, the location of the unit. You have to be careful where you put the unit because sometimes the damage and you spend your money. And so we work the way out to find a better place to put the actual unit. And also sometimes savings kind of look kind of hard to prove because of temperature. A lot of people don't really understand kilowatt hours. All they see is the dollar amount of the actual utility. So if we come in and we say, well, this year we spent $3,000 on utility, well, next year we spent $4,000, well, you'd be like, well, what did we actually save by actually doing that? We don't understand kilowatt hours. And so through all of that, we were able to work out to show because of the temperature, sometimes temperature changes, you still use some of the same kilowatt hours, and it's a lot to it, but we were still, through all of that, able to see a 12% saving on HVAC costs, which is a good thing. Through that, we were able to work out the problems, putting it in a better place. The unit works fine, we don't have any problem with it being damaged. Also, they were very knowledgeable about the product, so whenever we had issues, we were able to get them on the phone, they would send somebody up, and we got it fixed immediately. So it worked fine for us to support, for us getting things worked out. All the bugs we were able to get worked out. And our future plans with the actual product, we look to continue to monitor the actual product and how it is impacting the utility costs. As I said, it's a 12% savings on the HVAC costs. And then also we're looking to see where we can actually use the smart cool throughout other areas in the city. And what's, I guess, to say beneficial is you're able to save money without spending so much money on actually replacing so many units. So I think that's very beneficial with the product that we've been able to see with this actual product.